After researching crypto for 4 years, I realized there are 4 kinds of Bitcoin millionaires. The spender. The spender is the one at the bottom of this elite food chain. Most of them will assure that they love Bitcoin because it benefits to society, but action speaks louder than words. The more you trust in Bitcoin, the less you should spend it on depreciating assets. But to be fair, these people are well off and are free to spend their satoshis in whatever they see fit.
I got it 100% right. You couldn't possibly do better. And I did the same thing in 2017. I made one call on Bitcoin in about 2 years, and it was to call the top. And I'm the guy that calls the prices right. And all these other guys that talk, link me to their price call and show me where they overperform.
The trader. This is a small category. There are not many people that can be consistent traders. The elements of emotion, adrenaline, and pressure are always present in this environment. And yet, people like Sam Bankman, who traded his way into $10 billion at only 28 years old, these people don't even spend their coins. They are just addicted to trading. They love the game. The hodler. This is the most misunderstood category of them all. These people go to extremes to assure they don't spend any of their bitcoins. This guy is an example. He could be living in any state he wanted, and yet he lives in his treehouse, just hibernating until his fortune has funded into the amount he deserves. Then they will enjoy the big spender privileges. The artist. This is my favorite category. Maybe it's because I'm an architect. These people got more money than they could spend, but they don't spend it in things. They bet on ideas.
Early on, we bought a lot of crypto on Mt. Gox, which famously imploded, and very few people were believers who actually imagined where this could go. So quite frankly, as we move more and more closer to the metaverse, you'll want art in your online world.
I need to ask you, since you use it, if you could just please define it. What is the metaverse?
The metaverse is the recreation of the offline world in the online setting. I think a good example of the metaverse would be Fortnite, where people have signed in and they even have held concerts.
By choosing strategic investments to boost society, people like the Pink of Wall Street.
Of the story, but also opens a tiny window into the amazing, wonderful things to come.
They were all single individual pieces. They all have their own stories, but the industry was kind of stuck at that point. NFTs had a very singular meaning. They were synonymous to digital art. But then what always excited me about the NFT space was the ability to collaborate and the ability for various artists to come together.
Or MetaCoven. Both are currently spending their sats in ecosystem for blockchain, DeFi, and NFTs.